Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the 10 episodes of our reactions video. Today we are going to react on a video of beard kills. Yes, guys, this beard kills. Not exactly our beard kills from Karbianglong. Let's consider him light beard kills, none other than our Genu vlogs. Yes, guys, our Genu vlogs. Ilitum han pinang analangsun kaya lang si ilitum kinini pinalangsun tami lang si ilitum hanang paklang iglo. Kasi let's consider him light and beer kills a man versus wild from Karbianglong. Lalo ilitum laan susi alang liphan ke supportun mga kenang sotla. Ilitum pan misen lamar janang man pilo lapan ke langsun tami ke chini ne pinalangsun pusi tami ilitum true alang li video pen se ilitum ilipo no. Okay, guys, and well, today's video gonna be very special. Why? I will show you a little bit footage of in the screen. I will show you in the screen. Labang so alang so nero nilining kidok na laki pinia video lang si klaim po. Anyways, totong kaya non bang reaction sa pang cheng iko nang ho. Deho. Are you ready?
Video to lah bro. Hah? Lapung lang ha.
Look at that. Oh, lalo. Ini lang kita po. About to reach the destination.
Jo.
Lagi 40 episode lo. Last episode pula hai. Tara destination kile ko ano.
Lapun ini kayak dunia kayak panon. Jo. Ate Arnam soda lah. Arnam pan Sardom pan mekanik.
Pan Sardom lo pada. Apa tu alang suna. Pan Arnam Sardom. Ini tuh kaki tuh kasih lah bang tu, tapi itu kami pasti use kaung tuh nang itu, kita nama udah link itu.
Deh ya, kayak bom. Oh, amen sih kan, untuk cemen deh.
Kalau nang deh, tinggal lain video tadi. Pero lo kay man nilipan ng support dun mate nili video lang ber man fan ini yang klong ben so kay kita support dun ba kita pinilian
Kardom Karbianglong and lapu there po bijurong par lapen lapun ebong rohit hanse and itong 1 kilometer lo 12 kilometer ne do dia ba 13 to lo 12 mane 13 at teng lo and non nili to
13 kilometer
itu ma teng no
easy man
Dikrutso alangsun lahen lo si adungan nam sinang de kalima kalang don marlia tum dah.
And I really appreciate him because kapang so hari uhu hai
oh nike so oh
man it's a real struggle hari langsa hai
so don marlia tum Jidu family and kado kabe Karbianglong arat doan nili tum that bilughat na lo Dikrutso palangsun lahen lo yo
and so much kang
and don marlia tum
favorite waterfall man
to war risk pick an and kivang costo pick an
ikin na sula brasa mana paklampo
ardong le yo kire re ya oh ardong re tande
so dark man asa diyo paano gitipad look matidi that's why I call him I consider him light and bear kills
ala video
a man versus wild from Karbianglong
ya ayah
ay generation lang dun po tela puho bang kay ning sing sampig lo lapuson na explore dam long tin tami puho bang kay
ko ingat ke video don marli to
nilita chipung verde la no ahut pen ahut to la hets ke hai I love puho la
sikar lulu le yo
di ingnam pick
kubu ba tam naming ge ha
càng băm từ cái hè
là càng ram Oh, ano?
Hidden waterfall.
Ayah.
Prang ke sini ni mati lah aku langsung non lah paklang drone pen drone nam dat pen alang explore lo dak pen sini pen an ke sini ni. So we should get a really big appreciation of him. And I really appreciate some of our viewers used to watch from abroad as well.
Yo, oh, alang.
I really appreciate you all guys, those who used to watch from abroad. As an Asian guy, we have a different mother tongue, right? So you just need to correct my English actually. I'm still struggling my English, so as an Asian guy, we have another different mother tongue, right? Oh, that's really struggle, man. Real struggle, I mean. Ooh, that's the real view, man. Lang for you there.
Oh, yo, Mirki. Oh,
man.
Yo.
Ready?
So, lahan lo don mardi to. Dikrutso alang so lahan lo yo. Yo. Lahan lo yo.
Alang lipan ke pen ana viewers pen ke la drone shot pe lang chiti la sili tum drone shot kari la non shot patu kami li tum arti ke lain paano ni patu yo anu pin na youtubers na patu lo pat craig je kari
ikin sutsu la don mardi to
ili tum long klang dang mo jadi habis haram pen ke patu pen ke patu so this is the real struggle so we just need to support him a lot.
Oh.
What's the real destination? I'm really excited, man. Come on.
Oh, there, photo oh my god. Oh, cool, Rainbow. I love carving love. Dikrutso alang soon lah hello. Don't mind it, Genu family.
The rainbow, you guys see the rainbow? Woo, man.
Yeah.
Why I consider this one of my favorite waterfalls is the Dikrutso में अभी बताने वाला हूँ. This is why because it's very colorful as well. Not just a waterfall, it's very colorful. You guys see, right? Kani ekdom edi colorful ma di yo thinpi rong ta lo lir si long ke la punat ke hala hai ekdom no kapre la chipan tini ni hedi hai colorful dukom hari that's why I used to consider my real favorite waterfalls for now in Caribbean Law. Look at that, that's very colorful. Iske piche ka ras yahi hai guys, that's really amazing. Woo, look at that, that's colorful waterfalls. Wow. The rock, the green, really beautiful. Oh, man. Really enjoy. The trees, the greenery, the water. Really enjoy. Dikrutso. Thank you, Genu, for exploring this. So guys, we just need to support a lot of this video, especially this video. We just need more than 1 million. We just need to reach non ke views kom pikanang jumping along. So we just need a lot of support to get more views. See the real view. Litum langsung se views ranking pa doi fan ke litum ke lang tang dat pusita me lang pen langsung se ke share pen lah no litum ranking pa doi ni ke video sa lang ke lalu litum. Okay. Anyways, reactions video ke lan chalo litum asin nang litum and ili description lang hala official video link pic po nang litum humri damit ha lang ikpen ke lang tang det atum sita me lang ikpen lang se share ik tha lang se ranking pa doi phan lang se share ik tha Lalu ilitum langsung saya views paung nang la puson ala waterfall ke lang miki ilitum langsung si pacit hang si kenang sot. So I request each and every one of you guys to share this official video. Okay, and anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys. And don't forget to comment. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.